Everyone, this is SB Artistry. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be learning to do smoky eyes. Yes. First off, I'm starting with a kohl liner. Filling the entire lid with the kohl liner. Now I am blending the edges with the crease brush to make sure there's no harsh line. With a paddle brush, I'm gently packing on eyeshadow, black eyeshadow on top of that black kohl liner. After that, I'll be blending the edges with a brown liner on a crease brush, and then I'll apply a little bit. After that, I'm tight lining my inner waterline, and then I broke the pencil. I'm tightly lining the inner waterline. Then, if you want, you can use a highlighter on the inner corner and on the brow bone. Then, with magic, I'm doing the other eye. 1, 2, 3. Use generous coat of mascara. You can use lashes if you want. I am not doing lashes right now. After doing my base, I'm gonna do quickly my lower lash line. For that, I'm gonna use the same kohl liner on the waterline of my lower lash and then smudge it out with a smudger brush. Then with the same smudger brush, I'm gonna pick a mauve or brownish color and put it under my lash line. Sorry, I won't be showing my palette because I broke one eyeshadow of my palette. That's why I'm not gonna pick it up and show you. I just dig my nail into it. After done with my eyes, I'm gonna start doing my contour, my face contour. I've done my contour off camera. That video will be up soon. Then I'm gonna do my blush. For the blush, slightly smile and find the apple of your cheeks and put that pink tint on top of your cheeks. It's very simple, but contour, it's a little bit complicated. So for that, I have to make another video, and that video will be up soon. After putting on my blush, I'm gonna put a nude color. You can put a gothic color like dark brown or something, or nude color. Right now I'm putting on my highlighter on the center of my face and the high cheekbones to highlight my face. Sure your highlight doesn't look streaky or uneven or unnatural. Look for a highlighter that is closer to your skin tone, like bronze or yellowish. I'll make a video of that to explain you guys later, but for now you can use a bronze highlighter. This is the lip color that I'm gonna use with the lip lining brush. With liquid lipstick, we makeup artists always tend to have a lip liner brush, and with a bullet lipstick it is easy to sanitize those, so we can use the bullet directly on the lips, but with liquid lipstick we use a brush to apply. It's not needed to use a brush if you don't want to. I have put the lipstick on the back of my hand for safety reasons. Okay. This is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a good night. Bye bye.